The story of my life. Hi, my name is Lorenzo Victor E. Orandia, but I am fondly called as Enzo by my family and friends. I am an 18-year-old man diagnosed with Autism Spectrum Disorder Level 1 or ASD1. I am diagnosed with ADHD and Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. My life may look so easy and carefree for most people, but for years I have gone through a lot of struggles because of my condition. And here is my story. While I was still in my mom's womb, the roof of my mouth did not develop. So when I was born, my cleft palate was open. My mom had difficulty feeding me because of this. My head had to be in an elevated position at all times, so I will not drown while being fed, or simply aspirate because of this, which could lead to my sudden death. My palate was surgically closed and corrected when I was just 10 months old. Also, upon my birth, it was discovered that my thyroid gland did not develop at all. I was born without it, and so I was diagnosed with athyrosis. It is a rare birth condition where a baby is born completely without a thyroid gland. This lack of a thyroid means my body is not capable of producing vital hormones needed for normal growth, body energy, and brain development. My hormones, since I was 3 weeks old and up until now, I artificially produced by taking daily oral medication with synthetic thyroid hormone, levothyroxine. As I was growing up, my speech was not developing as it should be. My parents thought that it was just because of my palate problem, but it turned out it was something else. After I turned 3 years old, they learned that I am in the autism spectrum disorder. Then later on, I was reaching my 7th birthday. I was also diagnosed with ADHD. It was such a devastating news for my parents, but they did what they had to do. They immediately had me on occupational therapy and speech and language therapy, and all the other behavioral therapies that will help me. My parents did everything they could in making me better, so I can live a normal life despite my condition. But things were not so easy. As I was growing up, a lot of challenge came. My behavior became a burden to everyone, especially for me. I had meltdowns, tantrums, sickness that I had to explain and to cure, mood swings, and every possible emotional turmoil that one can think of. But worst part is, I cannot control the inappropriate behaviors that I do. It was very difficult for me because it felt like I do not seem to fit in anywhere. Everyone seems to be mad at me all the time. No one seems to want to make friends with me. No one seems to understand me. No one seems to like me. It was such a sad feeling that I cannot quite comprehend, and it still somehow feels the way up to now. I am just fortunate enough to have my parents who never gave up on me. They tried to give me all the best possible care in making my life better. I have a very strong support system from my brothers and family members who strives to help me become a better person each day. Every day, it is a struggle to live in this condition. It is very difficult to battle the symptoms, especially when there are some people around me who do not understand me, or worse, refuses to understand me. But I am confident with God's grace and the undying love of my parents, my brother, and my family. I will get through all these challenges and I will be the best version of myself.